Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with the iPad unlocked and the on-screen keyboard visible. First, tap and hold the little keyboard icon at the bottom right or long press the globe/emoji key. This reveals undock and split options. Choose undock to release the keyboard from the bottom edge or pick split if you want two halves. Once done, the keyboard detaches and becomes movable. This matters because docking fixes position, whereas undocking gives you precise control for reachability. Now you'll reposition the keyboard. Grab the small horizontal bar at the top of the undocked keyboard and drag up or down to the spot you want. This keeps keys full size. Alternatively, pinch inward with 2 fingers to shrink it into a floating keyboard, then drag that floating keyboard by its handle to any corner, handy for multitasking. If you chose split earlier, use the center gap to drag halves apart or together. Make sure to test typing after each move so spacing feels natural. Finish by placing the keyboard where you want it. Tap the keyboard icon and select dock to lock it back to the bottom, or tap merge to reunite split halves. Once docked, check typing alignment and cursor behavior. This prevents accidental drags. If the keyboard won't move or options are missing, make sure split keyboard is enabled in settings, force close the app, or restart the iPad. One quick fix: pinch open the floating keyboard to expand it, then choose dock to reset its position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.